Always big. Always big. Always big. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, everybody, welcome to the channel. Me and Drake here just went fishing today out in the rain, and we both got soaking wet and went a monsoon on us, and we were not prepared. But we caught some fish, and he caught a bunch of crappie, ain't that right?
Yeah.
How many crappies did you catch?
I got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
He caught a bunch of crappie. All right, so we're just gonna cut to the chase. If you guys want to see this, I ended up catching a pretty good bass, so catch you then. Yeah, there you go, reel it. Yeah, you got a good one. Yeah, you got a good one.
Yeah, you got a good one.
Keep reeling, don't let any slack. Keep reeling. I see him, he's big.
Yeah.
You got a big one, keep reeling.
Really?
You almost got him in. Keep reeling, almost. Reel it fast.
I got one.
Okay, reel it. Okay. Look at that fish you got.
Yeah.
You want to throw him back in?
Yeah.
Okay, here. You gotta be careful here. There you go. Hold up, hold up. Bam! Drake caught that fish, didn't he?
Yeah. Can you get some more?
We're gonna try. I'm gonna throw it back out there for you, okay? I'll let you know when you get another bite. You and Pawpaw got one. Keep reeling. Pawpaw got a big one. Is yours bigger than Pawpaw's? That thing's like a pound. That is a good one. You got a little bitty one. Good job.
Yeah, good job.
You want to open that thing for Pawpaw?
Yeah.
Watch out, don't put down in the water.
Yeah, you can close it again. You want to go back through there and catch some more? April said it's a monsoon at the house right now.
A few moments later.
Ooh! I seen that thing come up and hit it. I ain't getting no hit. Speak of the devil, right as I say that. Always big, always big, always big. Oh my God! Oh my God! He's here, he's at the boat. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That's gotta be a 12-pounder, oh my gosh! He's here. Oh my gosh! Oh man, I felt like a stump, man. Look at that bass, Drake. My goodness. My goodness. Putting that thing in the live well. Golly bum. Woo! That was a big old fish, wasn't it, Drake? Uh-oh. You covered up, okay? Got another one. and they'll hang over here off this ledge. Okay, no. Be quiet, boy. Keep dumping it out. I caught that bass. Dadgum. I think I don't know if it's a spot or what. Boy, that thing was flying. I couldn't keep up with it. Got another one. Well, I caught that bass in line with them bushes, like on the edge of the channel. That's where it was hanging off of. He's dark. You can tell this one's been shallow. That is a big one. Might have a bass or something. That thing doubled that little thing over. Reel it in fast. Man, you got a big one. Pull it over this way. Keep reeling as fast as you can. Reel it fast as you can. I want to see what this thing look like.
Jake, you got the big one. Papa got the little one.
Keep reeling, keep reeling.
Keep reeling, boy.
Man, you got a big one, boy. You can't even get him up. No, keep reeling, keep reeling.
Reel it.
Reel it.
Pull up on
Reel it. Keep reeling. You almost got it. You almost got it. Whoa. Oh, he ain't that big. He's just fighting good. Look at that fish you caught.
Yeah.
You like it?
I like it.
Let me get the hook out.
Go down here and turn around and come back. Oh,
You want to catch it? You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay, be careful. So don't fin you. Bam! Drake caught that all by himself.
Mom, have you got the big one?
Yeah, you caught a big one. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Till next time, Drake, tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Liked the video. We'll see you guys later. Peace.